Konto off. Kukhona into off edindizothi ngenjelang konto off.
Welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, Gomora fans are not happy with Moshe Ndiki's acting skills since he joined the award-winning production. The media personality has been receiving a lot of hate on social media, and viewers of the show feels that he is trying too hard to impress but failing. Moshe recently joined the third season of the show, and he plays Andile Faku, a teacher at Gomora High School. Avid watchers of the show have taken to social media to drag his acting skill. They believe he's not doing justice to the role, and he only got it because he has a huge following on social media. Let's check the few comments on Facebook. The first one said he's actually very good. People love being nasty for no reason. Moshe might be a horrible presenter, but he's exceptional good in acting. Gomora has struck gold. If there is someone who is annoying and boring, it's Tati. I'm not saying she should go. No, just change his storyline. As far as former Anza, just leave him alone. Combined with Zoto, they both killing it. Then the other one said his character is boring and annoying. Yo, I even stopped watching Gomora. Not me, I like him. Let's stop ruining people's career. If you don't like him, change the channel. Moshe is Moshe. He's always like that. Nothing new about him being much of talker or being too much of talker. Well, guys, yeah, imbono ke ihlukene, and mina actually blame the writers on this one. I don't think Andile is the problem. It's actually his character on the story. Ever since uqalile season 3, storyline sabo asihlangani kahle. If it not Tati, Mam Sonto no Qoqoqo or June July or Mike June, like kuphithene nje, I really don't know ukuthi sibheke phi le story. Khona nje into off, I'm telling you. Angazi uthi nombono wakho and your feeling about Gomora and Andile's character. Let me know what you think on the comment section. Bye.